So I've done quite a few readings with Lee. The first one, as soon as I walked in, he told me exactly how I was feeling, and it was just amazing to feel that somebody knew me immediately without having to say anything. In that reading, he told me specific things, and I remember one thing specifically where he had said that I would find something out before a certain date, and I just kind of dismissed it. And I actually did find it out about 3 days before that date. There was numerous things from people coming from spirit life, from certain pieces of information that literally nobody would know about someone that I am involved with and what would happen with them. And 2 weeks later I found out that that actually did happen with them, and it completely surprised me because it wouldn't be anything that would normally surface or happen. So there's been lots of things. A couple of times, you know, Lee would give a very close name, and you know, I'd be related to that name. Lots of things, actually, lots of little things that really would surprise me, like 2 or 3 weeks later, and I'm still here, and I'm coming back. Thank you, Lee.